Hey everybody, welcome back to Runaway Roses.
Today we have something very exciting going on. We're going to check out the brand new Escape 23 model. It's been long awaited, super exciting. Everybody's been waiting for it to come out. Been hearing about it for years.
Yeah, we're going to check out the #1 production unit.
Inside and out. Let's go. I am super excited about checking out this Escape 23. Been hearing about it for at least a couple of years, so we actually have a chance to check out the very first one. So I'm going to start out doing the exterior kind of walk around, and then Carla's going to be on the inside. We're going to check that out in there. I don't know all the specs of this camper, so if you want to know the specs on it, the width, the height, and all that stuff, go to Escape Travel Trailers and they'll give you all the information you need to know about it, because I just don't know. It's brand new. I don't know all the info, but I know that it is obviously 2 foot longer than the old model, which used to be a 21. So now this 23 foot model is the largest Escape trailer that they make as far as a travel trailer.
It's 8 foot wide,
and it's around 8 foot wide. We don't know the exact width, but it's wider than their other models that they have. So let's just do a quick walk around. On this Escape model, it does have thermopane windows, so that's really nice. Awning style windows. I really like the awning style windows, and being in thermopane keeps it nice and comfortable inside. It does have a very large awning out here.
very large.
Yeah, very large powered awning, which is really cool. And this particular one has a really nice graphics package on there, as you can see. I don't know if that's going to be standard or not, but it looks really great. Let's walk around to the front here. On most of the Escape travel trailers, you have the option of getting a front storage box. On this one, obviously it has it, which is great. I don't know if it's a standard feature on the 23, but it's a great thing to have because you can put a lot of stuff in there. Some of the outdoor stuff, it gets wet, that sort of thing. You don't want to put it in the camper. So that's a very nice feature to have. Propane up here, and as you can see, it is actually an all-new aluminum frame down here. So the aluminum frame is from front to back, so that's very cool. It helps keep the weight down for the overall weight of the camper, but yet still very strong. And so that's a really cool new feature that they have. 2 propane tanks. Looks like 220 pound, not 100% on that, but that's what it looks like. Electric jack. Got a front light. You got your marker lights on top. So that's very nice. Let's go around to the driver's side. So on the driver's side, it's a nice clean look. There's not a whole lot going on here. Again, you got the same windows over here. They kind of look like a frameless window, although they actually do have a black frame on them, but they give that real clean look to the windows. It has all the weights and information for the camper here. I will put a close-up on that, so if you want to check that out, you can look at the specs on that. So that gives you the weights and the length and the tire ratings and all that. Exterior light. The dump valves are down here, gray and black. It's got 2 leveler jacks in the front as well as in the back, so stabilizers, I should say, to keep the camper nice and stable. Obviously tandem axle, so that's nice. And I looked underneath, and it appears that it is the torsion axles underneath. So I'll try to get some close-ups of that so you can check that out. I don't know what brand. They may be Dexter axles, but I don't know for sure. But that's what they look like. And if I can find it out, I'll put more information in there. Furnace, water connections, city water and freshwater tank fill. Furnace. I don't know what this is. It is the outdoor shower. Some vents. 30 amp power cord. And that's about it for the driver's side. Let's go around to the back. So now around to the back, you can see it has a large aluminum tube bumper. Big square bumper. Looks like maybe a 5-inch bumper or so. And this bumper actually has a built-in little door for the sewer hose. So it's got a door and a little pin to keep that door shut. So that's pretty cool. Has a spare tire that is on a separate mount that mounts to the bumper, as well as a accessory rack hitch rated for 200 pounds. It says right here on the hitch. There's a rear light right behind the spare tire. Got your marker lights and backup camera, as well as a solar panel. I don't know what the wattage is on the solar panel, but I'll try to find out and put that in here. So we're back over here to the passenger side just to show you a couple more things on this side. There is an outdoor electrical outlet. There is a gas connection. So if you got a grill or something like that, you got a fitting for that. And there is another outdoor shower connection there if you want to.
Cool.
If you need that for set up a sink or something out here, that'd be really cool. It'd be a nice little feature. You got your fan vent up there.
Thank you.
You got a nice friction hinge door. You gotta love the friction hinge door, so that's really nice. A nice Lippert solid steps.
Yeah, those are
And
nice.
you got exterior light. And that's about it for the outside. Let's go inside and take a look.
All right, so we're inside the Escape 23, and starting out here at the front, it has a large L-shaped dinette. Looks very comfortable with the lagoon table. It has the laminate countertop to match the countertop in the kitchen, as you'll see here in a moment. These cabinets has lots of storage around, frosted glass and inserts, which that looks really good.
And some speakers back there too.
Yeah, it's got some speakers along the side. It has a Boss radio. I don't know if that came in it. We don't know a whole lot about it, but it's got a Boss radio right there.
Yeah.
All right, so moving back just a little bit, we'll come back over here so you can see the control center, but moving forward, we have, this is really cool and something I've never seen in one of these fiberglass campers. It has a refrigerator with the pull-out freezer on the bottom.
Pull it out, let's see. Pull out freezer, that's cool.
Yeah, that's very cool. And then, I don't know if this is a two-way or a three-way fridge, but anyway, furnace, right? Another furnace.
It's got a furnace.
Furnace, lots of cabinetry in the kitchen.
Got a lot of drawers.
A lot of storage. Microwave, 3-burner stove, a lot of counter space. This is awesome. Pop-up power pole with some 3-prong
USB.
and a USB there.
It's got a pull-out faucet on the sink.
Yeah, it's got the pull-out faucet on the sink, which I want to upgrade ours to that.
Yeah.
Nice, it's got the, I don't know if it's vinyl plank surface, just vinyl flooring, but nice vinyl flooring on the floor. And then, something a little different than our camper is, it has the smooth ceiling in it, as opposed to we have carpet in ours, so that's kind of neat. I think this is storage, probably like a pantry or something.
Open it up.
Oh yeah, it's a coat closet.
Coat closet. Okay.
Coat closet right there, yeah. And then, what is this? Oh, this is the Victron solar controller, I
Yeah,
think.
Victron solar controller.
And then, this is sort of a power thing.
I don't know what that is.
And then, come back over here, and you can see, it's got the furnace control, water heater, water pump, and then the sea level. They got a sea level tank monitor in here. One other thing I forgot to mention on the front, they have the shades kind of like, I think these are kind of like ours, where they do this.
Yeah.
I think you have to, yeah.
Nightshade, that's
the
definitely
nightshade.
really
This
black
one's
it out.
This one's a day. I'm not going to pull them up because I don't know exactly.
It does
how
have
they
some reading lamps on each side above the dinette.
reading lamps.
On the drawers, on the cabinets here, you can see that they're actually dovetailed joints, so that's very nice, very well built plywood cabinets. So good quality cabinets.
All right, one thing I did forget to mention is that it has the real streamlined hood vent for the oven, for the stovetop there. It doesn't have an oven in here, it's a stovetop. More storage on the end that I didn't see when I was standing on the other end. Wow, it has tons of storage in here. Nice big bed. You can walk around it pretty easily because it's got like the corners are kind of, I don't know what you call that, but they're kind of cut off or tapered there in the corner. It's got like 2 little nightstands, one on each side of the bed, and then I think these are maybe closets of, probably either has shelves or, I don't know, maybe some hangings.
That'd be wardrobes.
Yeah, probably wardrobes. More storage over the bed.
Big window.
Big windows.
Windows on
the windows
each
on
side. Gigantic
side
windows.
Really,
so you get a lot of light in there if you want it, or you can black it out with a nightshade.
I do really like these windows.
Has fantastic fan above the bed, some more storage above the bed, as well as reading lights.
Yeah.
And speakers. So you have surround sound with speakers in the front and the back.
Yep, and there's probably storage under, there's storage under the bed as well, so. All right, moving on into the bathroom. We have a wet bath, as you'll see. It has kind of a step up to get into the shower.
It's got a sink.
Small sink.
Built in the corner.
It's
got a grab bar. No,
I think the
homeowner, or the owners of the camper may have added those grab bars. I'm not sure.
Yeah, and we're gonna do a test here.
It's got a pop-up fan right here. This pops up for the fan. Turn that on. It's got a medicine cabinet, it looks like.
Oh, cool.
Medicine cabinet back there.
Yeah, that's cool. All right, Todd's gonna stand up and show you how tall the shower is.
So I'm 6 foot, so I do have to step up to get in. And just for reference, I can't quite stand up. It's not tall enough for me to stand up all the way, so if you're shorter than me, this might work for you. But I have
some
to.
people don't use their
some
shower.
people don't use their wet bath to take showers. A lot of people do. This actually does have a shower curtain right here.
Okay.
So just to keep that in mind. So it's very functional, plenty of room to take care of your business.
And you can sit down on the toilet to take a shower too.
Yeah.
Probably. So.
Sit down there. There's plenty of room, plenty of elbow room. So I mean, the bathroom is good. It's just if you're 6 foot, it's going to be a little cramped, but it's very nice wet bath.
Yeah. One other thing that we should point out about this Escape 23 is the floor space in here is going through the center of the camper. It's very wide and it makes it feel very roomy and spacious. This camper also, and I don't know if it's standard because I can't remember, but it also has a Houghton AC with the built-in heat pump.
I just want to demonstrate the room as far as being able to walk around the bed here area. So there's plenty of room on this side, very easy to get around. This side is a little bit tighter with the wall here, but it's still not bad. It's easy, just kind of scoot sideways to get over here. So that's pretty nice. You can get around both sides. It's super nice to actually have a walk around bed. That is a big feature. Carla did mention the padded roof on the ceiling here, but it also goes all the way down the walls. So this padded wall and ceiling adds for additional insulation in the Escape camper. Again, just to demonstrate kind of how roomy it is, because I am bigger than Carla, obviously, so it does feel very spacious in here, and the hallway is very roomy. And this area here, I could lay down and take a nap across here, which I would definitely do if we had this camper. Very nice. I love the L-shaped dinette and the fact that does have this lagoon table. It's actually very spacious and roomy back here. You could seat several people. You could even put a chair or two out here if you wanted to, if you had several people to come in and have dinner with you.
Thanks for sticking around and touring the Escape 23 with us.
Yeah, it's been a lot of fun. Been looking forward to checking it out, and we didn't even think we'd have the opportunity to check it out this weekend. We're at a camping rally down in Florida.
Fiberglass camping rally, so there's all the fiberglass here, and we just weren't expecting to see this one.
Yeah, there's several other Escapes, whether it's the 19, the 21, or the 5.0 fifth wheel model. And those are they're all fun to see.
Yeah.
But this new 23 footer is very exciting. So
yeah, it is. And it opens up another option as far as like a longer fiberglass camper.
It's a beautiful camper.
Yeah.
The extra width on this camper definitely is noticeable and seems to make a difference in here, and giving it extra floor space and everything else. So it makes it feel a lot roomier. So
it sure does. Yeah.
it's a great camper. So if anybody's looking at an Escape, you definitely want to check out the new Escape 23.
And we'd like to say thank you to Brett for letting us do this tour.
Yeah.
He's the owner of this #1.
That's right. #1, Escape 23, #1.
Yep.
So thanks for sticking around. Appreciate you watching. Please like, subscribe, share, all that stuff, and we'll see you next time on Runaway Road. Bye-bye.